Like the kids did. Pull the paper. Pull it. The first present. Here. Xander.
Christmas.
Turn around so Mom can see. You're not supposed to eat it. Here. Oh, look. Oh, what's in there? Look. You're going good with the paper. Look. Open. And pull it down a little bit for him. Just so he can see that there's something in there. Look. Look, what is it? What is it? Open it up. Okay, that's good. Let him go. What is it? Get it.
What's in here?
Get it. That's it. Rip it. Good boy. Good. Get it. Get it.
What is it?
Get it. No, not Daddy's feet.
Xander.
Get the present.
Xander, present.
You want to put them up here?
Yeah, maybe. Look. Finish it.
No, that's the...
Open it all up. He's more interested in everybody else's stuff. Look. Oh, what's in there? Open it so you can see. Oh, there you go. What is it? Keep pulling. Help him pull it out. What is it? Wow! Cool.
Look, Betty.
Your first present.
Cool.
You turn.
There's one thing, and I have a feeling it's a picture of a skateboard.
Oh, look, it's soccer people. Aww. And a puppy playing soccer too.
I'll put all my stuff there.
Can you wait bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Mommy, I'm going to get
Merry
all my...
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye-bye.
Santa. Ho, ho, ho. That's from Santa. Oh. All right, we'll open them for you.